Most people think banks hold all the cards, that credit, loans, and insurance are built to keep you paying forever. But what if I told you there are simple legal moves that shift the advantage back to you? Small changes in how you use credit cards, handle loans, and pick insurance can save you thousands and put real control in your hand. This video reveals the clever, everyday hacks that savvy people use to reduce interest, boost rewards, and protect themselves without breaking rules or risking trouble. These aren't magic tricks. They're habits and strategies banks don't want you to ignore because they make you a smarter, tougher customer. Stay with me. By the end, you'll see how small tweaks unlock big savings, remove stress, and let your money work for you, not the other way around. Because when you understand the rules of money, you stop playing defense and start winning your own game. Knowledge is your leverage. Once you learn how banks think, you'll never see finance the same again. This isn't about beating the system. It's about mastering it. Let's break down the hidden playbook that banks hope you never read. 1. Use credit cards like a payment engine, not a loan. Treat credit cards as a tool for convenience and rewards, not free borrowing. Always aim to pay the full statement balance each month. That's how you avoid interest and keep the perks without cost. If you can't pay in full, prioritize paying more than the minimum to cut interest compounding fast. Choose 1 or 2 cards that suit your life. A cashback card for essentials and a travel/rewards card for big purchases or occasional travel. Use automatic payments to avoid late fees and protect your credit score. Consistency is the quiet hack that compounds. Remember, rewards matter only if they cost you nothing's extra. Use cards to collect benefits, not to extend your debt. Think of your card as a smart tool, not a trap. Every swipe is a choice between debt and discipline. When you pay smart, you're not just earning points, you're earning freedom. The goal isn't to have many cards, it's to have mastery over the few you use. Treat each payment like an investment in your financial reputation. 2. Maximize rewards without getting trapped. Learn where your card pays best and steer your spending there. Groceries, gas, or online subscriptions often rotate as top categories. Sign up for the card's bonus categories, but don't buy things you don't need just to chase points. Stack rewards. Combine category bonuses, retailer offers, and browser extension coupons for triple wins. Keep track of annual fees versus benefits. If the perks outweigh the cost, keep it. If not, cancel before renewal or call to negotiate a retention offer. Redeem points smartly. Higher value often comes from travel or statement credits rather than random, low-value redemptions. A little planning each month turns points into real savings. And that's how rewards become a consistent income booster, not a one-time thrill. Don't let rewards control your spending. Let your discipline control the rewards. The smartest earners use loyalty programs like chess players, always thinking 2 moves ahead. You don't need 10 cards, you need 1 strategy. Rewards are a bonus for the wise, not bait for the careless. 3. Manage loans to shrink interest, not your life. When you have loans, focus on the interest rate hierarchy. Pay highest rate debts first, while keeping required payments on lower rate loans. Use any extra cash to make small extra payments. Even $20 monthly reduces principal and interest a lot over time. For big loans, consider refinancing when rates fall or your credit score improves. Small percentage drops matter over years. Always read loan terms for prepayment penalties. Many modern loans let you overpay without fees, which is your fastest route to freedom. If you're building credit, small on-time payments show reliability and lower future interest. Strategy wins over sacrifice. Targeted extra payments and smarter refinancing choices beat painful austerity every time. Every dollar you pay down is a brick in your wall of financial freedom. Debt isn't your enemy. Unmanaged debt is. You don't need to be rich to get ahead. You just need to be consistent. The real flex isn't luxury, and it's living interest-free. 4. Insurance hacks. Pay less, get more insurance is about risk management, not profits for you. But you can tilt the balance. Bundle policies, auto plus home or renter, to unlock multi-policy discounts. Raise deductibles where safe. A higher deductible lowers your premium and encourages smarter claims decisions. Ask for available discounts. Safe driver, low mileage, security devices, loyalty. Many are never applied unless requested. Shop insurance annually. Rates change and switching can save a lot, but always check coverage limits and reviews before you move. Finally, use a claims-first mindset. Avoid small claims that raise your premiums. Instead, self-insure small losses and keep insurance for big risks only. The best policy isn't the cheapest, it's the smartest. Protection is peace of mind, not paperwork. When you understand your coverage, you control your risk. Insurance doesn't make you safe. Smart choices do. 5. Credit score. Hacks that change. Everything your credit score is your price tag in finance. The better it is, the cheaper money becomes. Keep credit utilization low. Aim under 30%, ideally under 10%, by spreading balances across cards or requesting higher limits. But don't spend more. Pay important accounts before the statement closing date to show lower utilization on reports. Keep old accounts open to maintain a longer average history and avoid unnecessary hard inquiries. If you spot errors on your credit report, dispute them immediately. Corrected mistakes raise scores fast. Small score improvements often unlock big rate drops on loans and credit products. So treat your credit file like an investment. Every payment builds your story. Make it one of reliability. A strong credit score isn't luck. It's discipline in disguise. Guard your score like you guard your identity, because it is. Your credit report is your silent resume and make it shine. 6. Negotiate like a pro. Banks respect customers who ask. Banks and insurers will often negotiate fees, rates, and benefits, but you must ask. If a fee, rate, or renewal looks high, call customer service and calmly request a lower rate, waived fee, or better offer. Cite competing offers if needed. For credit cards, you can call before a rate increase or renewal and ask for retention bonuses or lower APR. When you refinance, get multiple offers and use them as leverage. For insurance renewals, show quotes from competitors. Many insurers will match or beat a competitor to keep you. Polite persistence usually wins. The institutions expect negotiation and often reward customers who know what to ask for. Closed mouths don't get discounts. Confidence pays. Negotiation isn't confrontation. It's communication with purpose. When you know your worth, companies listen. Every no gets you closer to the yes that saves you money. 7. Timing and automation. Small moves, big wins. Timing payments and automations removes human error and exploits reporting cycles. Pay down balances before your statement post to reduce reported balances and therefore your utilization ratio. Schedule automatic payments for minimums. Then manually pay down the rest as your cash flow allows. Use rate monitor tools and alerts for refinancing windows or promotional balance transfer offers. Acting fast on the right offer saves real money. Automate savings into a separate account for insurance deductibles or loan prepayments so you never borrow for emergencies. Simple timing and automation turn good intentions into real outcomes. And banks can't beat a disciplined system. Automation is the quiet engine behind every wealthy person's routine. Systems don't forget, panic, or overspend. Humans do. Once your money moves automatically toward your goals, progress becomes effortless. Discipline beats motivation, and automation builds discipline. 8. Watch the pitfalls and play safe. These hacks work only when used responsibly. Avoid tactics that rely on constant refinancing, excessive credit churn, or exploiting loopholes. Those can damage credit and trigger penalties. Read all contract fine print. Rewards, balance transfers, teaser APRS, and cancellation rules can have traps if ignored. Protect personal data. Identity theft wrecks credit faster than anything. Use secure passwords, monitor accounts, and freeze credit if you suspect fraud. Play long-term, not short-term. The best financial wins come from steady, honest strategies that preserve your reputation and options. Smart people learn from mistakes. Wise people avoid them entirely. Don't chase shortcuts. Build systems that last. Your reputation is your greatest financial asset. Protect it fiercely. True wealth is measured in peace of mind, not risky plays. Banks design products to make profit, but with knowledge and discipline, you can bend those systems to your advantage. These hacks, smart card use, reward stacking, intelligent loan management, insurance optimization, credit score care, negotiation, and automation are legal, ethical, and powerful. Start with one change today. Pay your credit card full this month, call your insurer for discounts, or set up an automatic extra loan payment. Small, consistent moves translate into huge savings over time. If this video helped you see the system differently, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who thinks banks always win. Comment below, which hack will you use first? I'll read them and pick a few to reply to. Remember, financial power isn't given. It's built step by step. Start building yours today. Because the moment you take control, the game changes forever. You don't need more money to win. You need more awareness. Every smart decision compounds. Every habit builds wealth. This is your moment. Take it, own it, and never give the power back.